Hey everybody, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Glenn Barker. I am the instructor for this class. I designed this class many years ago and truly believe it is a wonderful class. So again, thank you so much for taking the class. I also teach the overview of sports medicine and fitness careers class. I teach that in the spring. And then I also work at Northgate High School where I run the Northgate Sports Medicine program. We have about 100 students in that program. Two sections of first year sports medicine, and then we have a dual enrollment class that the kids get credit from Diablo Valley College and also Northgate for taking the class. I live in Canada for the summer, and then I come down during the year, and I live in Healdsburg, California, which is a little bit north of Santa Rosa up here in the wine country. And this is where I spend my time in the winter and then commute down to the Bay Area to teach at DVC, to teach at Northgate. And I'm also the athletic trainer at Northgate High School. I also see patients in the morning at the Center for Sports Medicine, where I use many of the same skills that I'll be teaching you this semester on my patients there. So I'm an extremely busy fellow, but I truly enjoy what I do, and I thank you again very much for taking the class, and I can hardly wait to see how it goes on this new online edition. All right, take care, and I'll see you next week.